Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security. Just tap on it. Then we have to scroll down again to enter more settings. And now try to localize encryption and credentials, which is on the third position from the top. So let's tap on it. At the bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so tap on delete all credentials, and here your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on delete. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.